In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide breadcrumbs on your WordPress site using additional CSS in an easy and straightforward manner. If you're looking to clean up the appearance of your site and customize the look and feel by removing breadcrumbs, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it and get started. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub from which you manage your site, so it's important to be familiar with it. On the left-hand sidebar, you will see various options. What we're looking for is the Appearance tab, which is your go-to place for anything related to the look and styling of your site. Click on Appearance. Once you're in the Appearance section, you're going to select Customize. This particular area lets you tweak and preview changes to your site without affecting the live site. It's a safe playground to see what's working and what's not before pushing changes to your audience. Here, you have a variety of customization options at your disposal, each allowing you to modify different components of your website. The option we want for this task is Additional CSS. By clicking on Additional CSS, you're opening up a world where you can directly insert style sheet information. If you're not familiar with CSS, don't worry. It stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it's essentially a language used to style and lay out web pages. It's what makes your website look good. Now the actual task at hand, pasting code to hide your breadcrumb trail. A breadcrumb is a type of secondary navigation scheme that reveals the user's location in a website's hierarchical structure. While it's useful for some, for others, it just clutters the site. If you're among the latter, this is how you hide it. In the CSS editor, simply paste the code snippet designed to hide breadcrumbs. This code will specifically target the breadcrumb element and apply a display property that effectively makes it invisible. Once the code is in place, you'll notice the changes instantly in the live preview to the right. It's always exciting to see the effects of your changes manifest so quickly. Finally, don't forget to hit Publish after you've confirmed that everything looks the way you envisioned. This is crucial because saving these changes will ensure that when your visitors come to your site, they won't see any messy breadcrumb trails cluttering up your clean, new design. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide breadcrumbs on your WordPress site with additional CSS. With this knowledge, you can continue to customize your site to your heart's content, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your vision. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on improving your website experience.